So I just went to Best Buy and picked up a GoPro. The GoPro Hero 7 White. Here's a couple things I got. I got this traveling case to put everything in there. Suction cup. Jaws, the jaws clamp. Head strap and a quick clip. And here's the GoPro itself. I had a pretty good deal going on. If you spent over $400, you could finance for 12 months with no interest. So I went ahead and did that. Everything here was $450. Yeah, $450. I'm gonna start with the head strap. So this is what comes in the head strap box. The strap itself and these quick clips right here. Now we're gonna open the clamp jaws. Man, this is heavy duty. I like this. This one's pretty cool. And then the GoPro goes over here. Suction cup. Here's the suction cup, and it looks like it comes with other stuff. So here's more stuff that I don't even know what they're for, but I'll find out. So I'm not sure how this goes, but I think this is like an extension. You take this one off and this one can go in here like this. So that's pretty cool. So that's the suction cup. Now I'm gonna open the GoPro. I did get a 2-year protection plan on it from Best Buy. Here's how you open it. Pull that up, push these in. That's cool. So here's the camera itself. Looks pretty good. Power button. I guess your start and stop recording button. Your SD card and your USB port to charge it. And this is the 7 white. Then you have the silver and then the black. GoPro stickers. Instructions. And inside this box you have the USB cable to charge it. A couple more of these things, whatever they're for. I don't know. And that's it. Let's start it up real quick and see if it's charged. I wonder if this is a sticker, how to take this off. That's nice. Language, English. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal.agree. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So I already went through some of the settings. So this one here, right now it's on picture mode, video, time-lapse video. Settings, you just do that. Voice control, I have it on. This one's for the beeping sound it makes. And then here are your settings. I have it at, let me see, general touchscreen, landscape lock, screensaver brightness. Right here, the resolution, you can choose between 1080p or 1440. Well, the voice command is pretty cool. It works good too. Check it out. GoPro, start recording. You see it started recording there. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn off. So that's it.